Hey nieces and nephews, it's Uncle Chris, and we're going to do a quick meal today in less than 20 minutes using leftovers.
Uncle Chris, what you got cooking? Smells so good. Everyone's looking. Uncle Chris. Uncle Chris.
Yes, leftovers. Come, let me show you. You remember I did the mac and cheese with the vegetables in it? And I have some leftover hamburger. Let me show you how you can turn that into a meal. Real quick, real simple. Come on. I have some leftover macaroni and cheese from my fish and chips. I'm gonna eat those later. But I'm gonna show you what you do with this macaroni and cheese. I also have some ground beef. So first thing, we're gonna brown our ground beef. I have some oil in a hot skillet. I'm just going to chop up our ground beef and brown it. Sizzling. How's everybody doing out there? Boy, we sure had fun at the Mark. That pre-Halloween show. They had some spooky, scary stuff, but it was fun. Miss Brenda did really well, I'm glad. Now, as this is browning, I do have some low sodium garlic and pepper seasoning. I'm going to season this as it's browning with at least a teaspoon at least. Okay? Now, I'm going to let this brown up real good. And be right back. Now that we have it all browned, nice, just like this, I'm going to strain it and add our pasta. I've got our meat drained, and I'm going to pour in about a cup of milk. Okay? I'm going to let that heat up just a little bit. Now I'm going to add as much macaroni as I feel I want to this dish, or you can add as much as you feel. Okay? I'm going to add plenty so everybody can have some. I'm probably going to use half of what I have left over. Yep. If not almost all of it. Jeez. Glad I had leftovers. All right. I'm going to let this heat up. And while that's doing that, and you mix it as it's heating, I'm going to make us a chopped salad to go on the side. Come on. Simple ingredients. Lettuce of your choice. Onion of your choice. I happen to have a red one. Bell pepper, if you have one. Tomato. Or if you have some cucumber, whatever delights you. Remember, your colors make your salad look good because you eat with the eyes first. So what we're going to do, get rid of the brown parts of our lettuce. Chop up the rest. Chop up our onion. Slice up your green pepper. Let's slice up our tomato. Let's discard the leftovers. putting them in the garden, that is. Take a serving bowl of your choice. Let's build our salad. Some lettuce, some onion, some green pepper, some tomato, and repeat. You can make one big salad or individual salads like I did. See? Good, isn't it? Now, let's check on our meat and pasta. Our pasta is done. Look at that, all bubbly, cheesy. So basically, you've made a healthy version of Hamburger Helper, but of course you're going to call it Leftover Deluxe. Now, let's plate our dish and make it look fancy. Now, we did that in less than 20 minutes. That was simple. And with leftovers you already had in your refrigerator that you needed to get rid of anyway, so you didn't waste it. Because come on now, you know if those leftovers stay in the refrigerator, they're going to go to waste. Just like they did in the power outage. All right. Salad, main dish, happy family. I want you to like, comment, subscribe. Also, write to me at UncleChris.theFoodPantryChef.com. Oh, excuse me, Uncle Chris, thefoodpantrychef@gmail.com. Excuse my senior moments. All right. Hey, life isn't perfect, and I'll show you just how it is. And hopefully I'm showing you stuff that'll help you out. Now, I'm going to chow down, along with a certain hungry lady of mine. and we're going to have a really good meal, and you can too. All right. All this week, I'm going to try to do quick, simple, easy meals for you. Okay. All right. Big love from Uncle Chris.